Now, something you might find interesting is how I find my car camping spots, and actually this one is a perfect example. Basically what I tend to do is I just randomly look on Google Maps or Google Maps, and I just scour in aerial view over an area and I look for car parks. And that is literally how I found this one. Once I'd worked out this was a council car park, I then go on to the Ringo app, and the Ringo app is where you can see the prices and the opening times, and basically, importantly, if it's a 24-hour car park and if there's any restrictions. But what I will then also do is I'll then go into Google Street View and I will look to see if you can see any signs, any restrictions, any of that. And that is probably 9 times out of 10 how I actually find all my car camping spots. So this one actually is a classic example of how it's found. This is a car park that I didn't know existed. So I can hear people. All right, they have gone. And I have found so many awesome park ups this way. It is a really, it is tried and tested. So if you're ever wondering how to find a car camp spot or how I find mine, well, that is it.